Hello, my name is Jose Zuniga, and I'm representing ExpertVillage.com. You're wondering, where do I buy my materials and supplies? I happen to luck out today because I happen to have a Mexican fan palm next to my house. All I need to do is dig it out, transplant it to its new location, its new home, and there I have it. I have my new baby. Now, for you, I suggest that you go to one of those specialty stores, one of those landscaping places, where they're going to have an abundance and great selection of your palm tree. Another good area to go would be the internet. The internet is, trust me, they just about have everything that you need. Now, when it comes to the vinca plants, you can just buy them from the nursery home, your family center, even a yard sale, and guess what? The flea market as well. When it comes to your plants, like today we're utilizing the vincas. I just checked out the newspaper, and they're having a couple of farmers market. That's a good place to go. Mama and Papa's, and also the garden centers. While you're there, go ahead and purchase your mulch that you need, the topsoil, and also the plant food that we're going to be needing. Don't forget those bricks, and of course your fungus. Now, fungus is a little bit more difficult to get a hold of. Check the internet, or the landscaping specialty store is a good place to get it. Now, if you can find it, don't worry, because I am going to share with you a family secret. Remember that little container that I had with water and ivory soap? We'll go more into detail in reference to that later. What about the rest of the tools? The rake and the shovel. Come on, if you're a gardener, most likely you have that. However, you're new to this arena, a new gardener, just go to your nearest hardware store and you'll find it there. And don't forget to also get your bucket, because we have to submerge the plants before we plant them. This is where we buy our materials and our supplies for our corner palm garden.